Mary Katie Olsen is a multi-talented American personality. Her achievement as a child actress was outstanding, but later was overshadowed by her success as a fashion designer and a businesswoman. Mary Katie Olsen was born on June 13, 1986, along with her twin sister Ashley, in Sherman Oaks, California. To Janet, a personal manager, and David Olsen, a banker and real estate developer. Mary Katie Olsen, along with her twin sister, has an older brother, a younger sister. She was schooled at a Campbell Hall School in Los Angeles. She was into the equestrian sport from her school days. She married Oliver Sarkozy, half-brother or former French President Nicolas Sarkozy, in May 2012. Age, height and weight. Being born on 13 June 1986, Mary Katie Olsen is 35 years old as of today's date, 1st March 2022. Her height is 1.57 meter tall and her weight is 49 kg. Career. She, at the tender age of 9 months, was cast in sitcom Full House along with her twin sister Ashley in the role of Michael. To be on the right side of child labor law, the sisters were substituted appropriately so that none worked more than the prescribed period. The show was a grand success and ran for about 8 years. It syndicated in 25 countries and had inspired many books. Awards and achievements. At an early age, she was awarded the Young Artist Award, Best Young Actress under 5 years of age in the year 1989. She was awarded Kids' Choice Award for the movie It Took Two in 1996. In 2012, she won a prize jointly with her sister at the CFDA Fashion Awards and were winner of WSJ Magazine Innovator of the Year Award. The twin sister became child star in the famous TV show Full House. They were ranked 3rd on the VHI list of 100 greatest kid stars. The twins used their fame assiduously to build a business empire of fashion products, clothes and shoes for kids. As a co-president of Doelstar Company, the produced movies, DVD film, and had its products sold in 3,000 stores across America and 5,000 stores worldwide. Net worth and salary. Mary Katie Olsen and her twin sister Ashley were included in Forbes' The Celebrity 100 list since 2002. They were ranked 11th richest in the entertainment industry and have estimated her net worth as $220 million as of March 2022. The steady stream of revenue for the sisters comes from diverse activities including acting, fashion, clothing, and film production. The famous twins are so attached to each other that it is hard to rate anyone individually. They have an excellent bond with each other, although they admit they are very different. Mary Kat Olsen had led a very active life right since her childhood, and in spite of some health issues, she is not to be deterred in her determination to be on top and in the limelight. The sisters have supported many social and charitable cases.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.